tips for using a mirror while driving. Check all the mirrors when a car is at a stationary state. While changing the speed of the car, use mirrors wisely. Before overtaking any car, check the mirror. Look in the mirror first before opening the door of your car. Keep yourself equipped with the knowledge of the use of car mirrors. Before changing the direction of the vehicle, use mirrors. Use mirrors wisely before jibing signals. Use rearview mirror while parallel parking, reversing your car. Thank you. For more, visit our site www.carlearner.com.